Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can create a fresh orange juice with a product which is available online without electricity. So it's called fruit and vegetable juicer. I got it in Instamart, so I was very impressed with it. So I thought I'll do a quick video to show how it works. So it's pretty easy to assemble. Okay, so you can take this and you can fix it on the ground. If you can see this, I can fix it on the ground just by turning the knob down. Okay, so now it will lock it in position. So if you see this, now it will not move. If I want to remove it, I can remove it like this. If I want to lock it, I can lock it in position. Okay, so this is how it works. You see this? This is action. Okay, now let me turn it. Now it's locked. Now once it is done, then the next thing we need is the juice collector. So this is where the juice will get collected. Then we will put this thing here. So let me put this from here. Okay, then we put this thing. Okay, so that is the next thing that to go is this. So this is pretty easy to lock in. Right now, this is the one which will rotate this entire cylinder. Okay, so now let me put that from here. Okay, so then I'll have to make it tight. Okay, now you see this, how it rotates. It's a pretty simple mechanism, but quite effective. See this? Now this is where the leftover will get collected, and this is from where you will load it. So to load this, I am taking an orange juice. I'll make an orange juice. See this? You take the small pieces of it and put it inside this, like this. Okay, so I'm just putting it here like this. Now you just have to push it down with this and rotate it, if you can see, and rotate it clockwise direction. You see this orange juice? This is fresh orange juice. So now you see the output that is coming out. Now you see the orange juice is already juiced. Now if you want to juice that again, the leftover bit, you can do one more time. Okay, this is good enough. If I want to take this out and put it back again, I can do that to collect the maximum juice out of it. You see this? You can see a little more juice coming out. If not, then it's gonna get extruded out. Okay, so this is the fresh juice of orange, as you can see. So I hope it's useful. Thank you very much.